And this is
So
what we
like,
discussed.
but I like to do the yellow off.
Probably wouldn't use too many blacks at this point because it's just gonna
And you
look
spontaneously doing this
too.
intuitively, right?
Oh yeah, I have no idea. I'm just winging it. So I you know, that's what you do. And this guy here, you know, so I'd kind of add in a little bit more. That way, I can turn this upside down. Actually, I think make it a little easier for me to.
So you all see the difference between an amateur, intermediate, and professional.
Yeah.
Professionals are the ones who are able to just.
That ever had the same kind of symptoms or like anything resembling the other child that also had a diagnosis with autism. There's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been going up.
I would probably use the X-Men analogy, where it's quite conspicuous that there's some sort of biological evolution occurring with the X-Men.
Right, so you have like a slide, then you have like playing the instrument as a percussion. And like I say, I'm not too obsessed with stylistically, the few ways you can play different style, jazz, blues, classical. I like the infinite ways you can play.